Welcome to my channel. The video shows how to import and use virtual source carbon nano field effect transistor in Cadence Virtuoso. The VS-CNFET model can be downloaded from Stanford website. The device structure with various parameters is shown. It consists of source, gate, drain with gate length LG, spacer, gate oxide, diameter of the carbon nano, spacing, substrate and pitch. You can download this model from here. Once you click on this link, it directs to this web page where you can download this bundle. Now let me import this CNFET model into the Cadence Virtuoso. First, create a new library. Let me call this as test. Select do not need process information. The library is created with the test name. Then again go to File, New, Cell View. This time change the view to Verilog-A and provide the cell name as given in the model library file, which we have downloaded here. This is the downloaded file. If you double click on it, you can find VS-CNFET.va. Open this file and you can find the cell name. The cell name should be the module name. Let me copy this. It consists of drain, gate, source with all the parameters. Close this. Provide the cell name with this. It opens into a text editor. Just open back this. Copy this content. Remove this and paste into the text editor. Finally, you click on Build Database of Instances to create the symbol. So symbol does not exist. Do you want to create? You can click Yes. You can align the pins like drain on the top, and source at the bottom, gate on the left, drain on the top and source at the bottom. This is the symbol. You can use this symbol to create CNFET model. I have created my own symbol. You can use artwork and the thicknesses you can improve here. Create the symbol of CNFET. This is of choice. You can create your own symbol. Once this is done, check and save. Then create a circuit out of it. Just go to the file, create new, and you can create the inverter as given here. I have just created the inverter. To see the properties of this VS-CNFET, select this transistor, press Q. Under CDF parameter of view, select Verilog-A. -1 indicates here it is a P type, and this is the length of the gate. It has got width. Similarly, you can find the parameters for N type. Select this transistor, go to the Verilog-A. See that the FET type is N with a value 1. -1 indicates it is P type. +1 indicates it is N type. Length and width of NCNFET is given. I have provided a supply voltage of 1 volt DC. The input is a pulse with 0 volt, 1 volt, 10 nanosecond period. Rise time is 100 picoseconds. Fall time 100 pico. Pulse width is 5 nano. Once the inputs are provided, check and save the design. Go to launch, ADEL. You can right click to choose the analysis. I want to perform a transient analysis of 50 nanosecond with moderate as well as DC analysis. Select component parameter. Select the input pulse, DC voltage, sweep range is from 0 to 1 in steps of 0.01. Click OK. Finally, add the outputs. From the design, input and output. Once the input and outputs are loaded, just click netlist and run. You can click on this card to see the input and output transient response. Similarly, back onto this auto, and this represents the DC characteristics of a virtual source VS-CNFET transistors. Exactly, the crossing is at midpoint for input voltage of 1 volt and the sweeping is from 0 to 1 volt. Let me plot the current. Check and save the design. Add outputs. Again, netlist and run. This shows the current response, which has a peak current of 16 microamps. This is the dynamic current which is drawn for the change of states.